Hello, my name is Hannah and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Golf TSI finished in the solid pure white paintwork. This 2019 model comes with a 1.5 TSI EVO petrol engine and manual transmission, ideal for those wanting a first car, with features such as the 16-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors for the extra protection when parked, and headlights for the great visibility. As we enter the boot space, you can see this is a large space of 380 litres, perfect for those who need to fit their necessities in the boot. Moving into the rear seats, with a cloth trim finish for a more comfortable and relaxing feeling, with a pull-down armrest with 2 cup holders built in, with manual air conditioning accessible in the back. Moving into the front with the multi-functioning steering wheel, central touch display, and the comfortable cloth trim finish seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving onto the central infotainment system, there's a variety of different radio stations to keep you entertained on your journeys. App Connect allows you to connect your phone or Bluetooth so you can choose what to listen to. Parking sensors are also there to help you manoeuvre into tight spots. Your manual climate controls, which are accessible below the screen. Moving onto the central console with storage for phones or keys, a charging socket and 2 large cup holders with central storage armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.